What if you could buy your first rental property this year and not put a single dollar of your own money down? I know that sounds like one of those things that's too good to be true, but these are actual legal strategies that everyday people are using right now in 2026 to get into real estate with zero capital. Let me show you exactly how. Setup. The biggest lie in real estate is that you need a 20% down payment to get started. That's the traditional route. And for most people, it keeps them on the sidelines for years. But there are at least 4 strategies that let you buy real estate with little to no money down, and we're going through all of them right now. First up, FHA loans. These are government-backed mortgages that let you buy a property with just 3.5% down. On a $200,000 property, that's only $7,000. And the credit requirements are way more flexible than conventional loans. The key, you have to live in the property for at least 1 year. But here's the play. You buy a duplex or triplex, live in one unit, rent out the others. Your tenants pay your mortgage. That's called house hacking, and it's one of the fastest ways to build wealth in real estate. Strategy 2. VA loans, 0% down. If you're a veteran or active military, this is your superpower. VA loans are 100% government-backed, 0 down payment, no private mortgage insurance. This is genuinely one of the best financial benefits available to any American, and millions of veterans don't use it. You can buy a multifamily property up to 4 units with a VA loan. Live in one, rent the others. I've seen veterans cash flow $1,500 per month their very first year doing this. Strategy 3. Seller financing. This one is a hidden gem. Seller financing, also called owner financing, is when the seller of the property acts as the bank. Instead of going to a lender, you make monthly payments directly to them. Why would a seller do this? Maybe they want monthly income instead of a lump sum. Maybe their property isn't qualifying for traditional financing. Either way, you can negotiate your down payment, interest rate, and terms directly. Sometimes with 0 down. The secret weapon here: motivated sellers. Look for properties that have been on the market 60+ days. That seller is ready to deal. Strategy 4. Partnering up. If you have the knowledge but not the cash, find someone who has the cash but not the knowledge. Real estate partnerships are everywhere. You bring the deal, they bring the money. You split the returns. This is exactly how I'd start if I was rebuilding from 0 tomorrow. Skills and knowledge are the real currency in real estate. Money follows expertise. Any one of these 4 strategies can get you into your first property this year. No money down, no experience required. Which one fits your situation? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to go deeper on any of these, I'm dropping a new video every week right here. Subscribe, like, and comment.